Hey there, welcome back. Today we are building a live interactive dashboard using Plotly Dash. No JavaScript needed. We'll show charts, filters, and create web-based report that helps like a professional data tool. Perfect for tracking personal finance, sales, or any small dataset. Let's get started. Dash is a Python framework from Plotly that lets you build interactive web apps with pure Python, and it's perfect for data scientists who want to share insight without switching to JavaScript or HTML. First, we need to go to the terminal and here pip install dash pandas plotly. Whenever it's going to be installed, we need to go and here, as you can see, I've got imported pandas and also I create data frame for our datasets, and this dataset simulates spending across two categories over 6 months, easy to relate to. Then we need to also import from dash import dash ECC and HTML, and also we need to have import plotly.express as px, and with that we can have like app equals dash and we need to pass the name. Okay, so we need to build a layout, and we are going to build a header, drop-down filter, and two charts. All will be dynamically connected. So app.layout equals HTML. Yeah, I know that we are not using the JavaScript as I said, but we need to know the basics of the HTML. I mean, what is like H1. That's all. That div, also div. Okay, I forgot about that. HTML.h1. We need like monthly spending dashboard. Then we need DCC, that drop down, and we need to have like ID, which will relate to category alter. Then we need options, and we need pass label to be category, and value also will be category, but where and from where we're gonna get them, or category and data frame category. And they need to be also unique. So we'll not have like few foods, few transports. We'll only have unique one of each of them. Also, we need the value, which will be food, and it's our predefined value at the very beginning. I forgot the comma over there. Okay, then we need dcc.graph, and here will be ID line chart, and we need dcc.graph, and it will be ID of bar chart. So we've built the charts. Chart. Then we need to create and do something more. To choose a category from drop-down list, and both charts should be automatically updated. And there shouldn't be any reloads. And it has to be interactive. That's why we also need to import few things. From dash that dependencies, we need to import input and output. Going down, I will make a few spaces over here, and we need like app that callback. Here we'll have output, and our line chart with the figure. Also, we need another output. As you may be thinking, bar chart, yeah. chart, and also we need to have like figure over here as component property. And the last thing that we need to pass over here is input, because it will be our category filter. As you see, our drop down that we've got over here, that's our ID, and we are going to pass the values of here of that element. So we are charting them whenever we change our category input. Okay, then we need to create the function update charts, and we need to have like selected category whenever we would like to select. I will change it over here, and we need to have some more fun, because here we'll make filtered data frame. It will be data frame that we created, data frame and category get there, and we need to filter the selected category. Of course, we need square brackets, not a normal. That's why it would work perfectly. And we need line figure, and here we'll have ex that line, so our plotly express, and here we are going to filter data frame. Then we'll have like month as X, Y as ending, and title will be ending over time. Then we have like bar fig, because we've got bar chart also, bar fig, and it will be px.bar, not line, filtered data frame, and here we'll have like X will be month, Y will be pending, and title will be monthly pending breakdown. And here in our function, we need to return what we need to return: line figure, fig, come on, and also the bar fig. And the last thing that we need to do is to launch our application. Whenever I will launch it out right now, nothing happened. So I need app.run, and he'll debug. You have like true. Wait a few seconds. As you can see, Dash is running on HTTP server, and it opens. You can see we've got our spending over time and monthly spending breakdown. We can change it, transport, and voila, we've got our charts easily and fastly done. So as you can see, dashboards like this are perfect for making your data usable, interactive, and even shareable, all from a single Python script. Want to add more features like date pickers or tabs? Stick around for part 2. Like, subscribe, and let's keep building.